Tonight we're going to draw Blast Elico from Bakugan New Vestroya. Blast Elico first made his appearance in New Vestroya as Elico's evolved form. On the toy line, Blast Elico is a Japan-only exclusive Bakugan, and I'm really cheesed off about that. Most people wouldn't risk buying tickets just to get their hands on an action figure like this. And to be honest, I'd do anything to go to Japan and even get my hands on a few of those Digimon action figures. Not only that, but I think they have a few museums dedicated to anime. I'd do anything to go there. One more thing, Elico got his superpower from a card known as Nova Blazer X. But that's a story for another day. Almost done. Alexa, what is a blast?
According to Wikipedia, in bioinformatics, BLAST is an algorithm and program for comparing primary biological sequence information, such as the amino acid sequences of proteins or the nucleotides of DNA and/or RNA sequences. A BLAST search enables a researcher to compare a subject protein or nucleotide sequence with
Alexa,
a library or database.
What is the definition for blast?
Here is what I found. As a noun, blast is usually defined as a sudden and violent gust of wind. As a verb, Blast is usually defined as to make a loud noise on, blow, a trumpet, automobile
Here's some
horn,
gills.
etc. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for blast.
And done.